Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and you may have noticed here behind me is a cool new toolbox, which is now featured as part of the Doug and Nikki set. And in real life, I do actually love and use my toolboxes, and I'm in the process of organizing them and that kind of stuff. And I'm sure you were wondering, should you get these magnetic stickers? So I just got them for myself. Magnetic stickers, I think that's kind of like an oxymoron. They are not magnetic stickers, they are just magnetic labels. So let's take a look at them real quick, see how they work. I think they're a great size. I ordered them just so you could see relative to my hand what they're like. And I just thought it would be great. Let's say this is my most used drawer. Throw that on there. Punches, I don't have that many punches. I'm not. Measuring tools, I certainly have a lot of measuring tools. Put that there. Sealants, throw that on there. Interestingly enough, at least on my toolbox, like the SAE wrenches, if I put that there, kind of hard to see, but you can see it. And power tools, more power, right? So I think that is absolutely ridiculously perfect. Comes with an absolute ton of these things. I think everything that I'm possibly going to need is in here. I'm going to have to say I highly recommend these. These are definitely a 5 out of 5 if you don't want to have to start printing out your own labels and sticking them off and not being able to pull them off. Because I could be like, you know what, I'm redoing things. Let's move the measuring tools to this drawer here. That's all there is to it. How cool is that? In any case, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki. I would highly recommend these. These things are super cool. There's a zillion of them. Working great. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.